I've been to every dive school in the world. I can safely say that because of the equipment, what it has to offer, the instructional staff, DIT is the best dive school in the world. My experience at DIT was life-changing. Looking back at it now, it was the best decision that I ever made. I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for DIT. There's just so many opportunities for graduates today, whether it's health, safety, and environment, it's HSC, project management, equipment maintenance. It just doesn't end with the diving itself. Here I am now, 18, almost 20 years later, and I am completely satisfied with my decision to go into this industry. And I think this school had a lot to do with building that foundation for me to springboard into the industry and to really flourish to the degree that I have.